Reckless, baby. All these things on my checklist. Don't think I'm out here reckless, baby. Just gotta finish my checklist, my checklist, my checklist.
And welcome back to the franchise Financial Power Hour. I'm gonna get that. The Financial Power Hour on intellectualradio.com. Brought to you by iHeartRadio. It's your boy OJ Dub, and I'm in the building with the Princess of R&B,
The
Chanel.
Queen. We're gonna switch it to the Queen. Okay, we
Queen.
manifesting
Any title
here.
that associates the top
Yes.
of the food chain. Miss Ellis is in the building with me
Thank you.
today. Shout out to Karen Moneybags. She's got some life issues that she's working out, and Walt. He's got some things he's got working out too. Actually, car issues with both of those folks. But they're here with us in spirit. We definitely are going to be looking forward to having you guys with us. Actually, Karen definitely tomorrow on the show, but hopefully, fingers crossed, Walt will be able to make it through the show tomorrow too. So, but now we want to kind of jump into the American Dream Tax Service franchise opportunity. We are actually in tax season since the first, so the tax documents will start piling into mailboxes if you get it electronically, print all that stuff off. So we definitely want you guys to reach out to us at americandreamtax.net. And kind of do some business with us on the tax side. We coming close to almost a decade in the tax industry. It's been a great opportunity. We're in $1 trillion industry that's not going anywhere because you got to pay your taxes. There's no way of running from it. You can put it off for a few years, but eventually Uncle Sam's going to come for that bill. And why keep waiting when you got a quality operation that can get those taken care of for you? So it could be the current ones, it could be the past ones. Anything you need, we can definitely accommodate you with the taxes. And then we have a number of other financial services that we piggyback off of the taxes. But today we're here to kind of basically talk about the franchise and the opportunities that are out there. So Chanel, I know that you are a brand ambassador with American Dream. So I'm gonna have you kind of touch on some of the pros of coming on to the team, because we're still accepting franchises till the 18th. So you got about 2 more weeks to come on and get on a board of this train before it pulls off from the station, and then maybe you'll catch us next year when we get bigger. But I'm gonna have Chanel kind of jump on and kind of give you guys some of the positive aspects of coming on and being a franchisee with American Dream.
Yes, so American Dream Tax is let me just start off by saying it's an amazing company. I'm very happy I got a chance to be exposed to this company. I am one of the brand ambassadors. I do now have my own franchise, so I'm very excited about that. Just a few things from my personal experience with American Dream Tax that I love. One, you can work from home. You can work from anywhere that you want. You pretty much anywhere in the country. It's very convenient, especially if you have a family or if you have another job on the side. It works. You can definitely fit it into your lifestyle. And also, American Dream Tax, as Orlando said, has been out for over a decade. And we all know how hard it is nowadays to stay in business. So that is automatically a good sign if you're wondering if you want to join American Dream Tax. Another thing that I do love about American Dream Tax, the support that it provides. We have Karen, which she's amazing with creating the flyers, the marketing tools. We have trainings every Wednesday. We have those calls for anyone on the team or anyone interested in joining the team. It's about 30 minutes. It's at 6:00 every Wednesday, in which Orlando and Karen pretty much host, and he does an amazing job on those calls, breaking down the structure of the business in details. So shout out to Orlando and Karen for that. And so join that call. The flyer, I need to keep that number by me, but the flyer is on my page. It's Chanel Ellis 552. It's on Instagram, and also American Dream Tax 24 on Instagram, and also follow that page as well, because we always have updated information about American Dream Tax on our Instagram page. And also, if you want to know more information besides joining the call, you can go to AmericanDreamTaxOffice.net. That's AmericanDreamTaxOffice.net. There you'll see more details on the different packages that we do offer, pretty much recruiting people to get their taxes done. I mean, if you do taxes, good. If you don't have to do taxes, and the good thing, you do not need experience. So don't feel like, oh, I don't know anything about taxes. You don't have to know anything about taxes to have your own franchise or to join American Dream Tax. So I just wanted to throw that out there, because I know sometimes, when people hear the word taxes and money, it could be a little intimidating, but not over at American Dream Tax. Like I said, we are very supportive. We supply you with the marketing tools, the training, and once again, Orlando does the call every Wednesday, which is a great platform to get on that webinar and ask questions and just listen and learn. Like I said, if you're in the company already, it's still good to jump on that call every now and then, because you can pick up some new information. So, yeah, come on over to American Dream Tax, y'all. It's very, very, very amazing. I love our team. We all specialize in different things. If I don't know something, I know who does. So, we work pretty good together. We would love to have you on the team.
Yeah, I mean, and kind of what you mentioned, you don't need any experience. The software that we currently have, we own the software. It's been, I think it's the third software that we have now, and it's very user friendly. I mean, we even have a secure app with a QR code. If you guys have been looking at my Facebook or my Instagram, I've been posting that for the past couple of days, a few times a day. With the QR code, you simply just scan it. You'll actually see a picture of myself, because that's my personal QR code. That's another thing. You get your own personal QR code, so you can make sure people can distinguish you between one of our other franchisees. You put your information in there. It comes over to actually my virtual assistant, with me being the president of franchise operations. I don't do taxes no more. I've passed that. I've done enough taxes in my day. I've passed that. I have been able to duplicate myself, or the company has been able to duplicate me. My assistant, she takes care of all of that for me. She knocks everything out. I get the information back, reach out to the customer, let them know what they're getting back. As long as everything's great, get that information submitted over to the IRS, and fingers crossed everything works out great, where generally about a couple of days when it gets accepted, in a couple of weeks you get your refund back. We get ours, you get yours, everybody's happy, we move on to the next person. So it's a very, very seamless process. But that QR code in that app is very secured. You don't have to send us any information. You actually take pictures of everything that you have. It makes it very convenient and easy for the customer. And like I said, our turnaround time is generally about 24 to 48 hours that we want to get your taxes done, so we can get you happy and we can get on to the next customer. And actually right now we're actually doing, I know myself with my franchise, I can't speak for everybody else, but I'm doing a $50 referral bonus for any of my customers. So if you have any friends or family members that need to get their taxes done, because obviously everybody needs to get their taxes done. I think last year was like 500 something million people that got their taxes done, that had to get their taxes done last year. Just imagine getting a piece of that's why taxes is a $1 trillion industry. But I guarantee somebody that needs to get their taxes done. You send them on over to us, they get their taxes done with us. Again, we get our money, they get their money. I'm gonna send you $50, whether I do it in a gift card or Cash App or Zelle, however you need me to send it to you. I'm gonna send you that $50 as a way of appreciating you sending business over to my franchise. I know a lot of the other franchises are doing something along the lines of a referral bonus as well, because we want to bring in as many people as we possibly can to the business, and grow it as big as we can, and just kind of, like I said, keep this train moving forward. And we need your help in order to do that, with your taxes, and then, like I said, referring individuals over to us at the same time. The other kind of perk about that, with also not needing to have experience, our franchises, it's a low startup cost. most times you have a franchise, it's going to cost you a pretty penny to kind of get going in that. Whether you're thinking about kind of the larger food chains, or some of the workout facilities, some of the educational franchises that are out there, it's going to cost you a nice amount of money in order to get started with that. And actually, with American Dream, anybody that's interested that either mine or Chanel, you reach out to us either on Instagram or call it to the show. My personal number or my business number, 815-200-9288. Again, 815-200-9288. If you just text me franchise, my assistant, she'll reach back out to you, and then we'll actually give you, I know I'm doing a 25% discount on the packages for American Dream. So you can actually determine kind of which percentage you want to make off of your prepare fee. So our lowest package starts out is our copper level. That's a 20% return on the prepare fee, all the way up to our Elite Plus package, which is just over 1,000, and that gets you 100% of your prepare fee. So you dictate what the fee is, you're going to get completely all of it. 100% of your prepare fee with that Elite Plus package. And like I said, we have packages anywhere in between there. But right now, if you reach out, shoot me a text message with franchise, my assistant will give you a call back. We're going to give you a 25% discount on any package that you would be interested in. And like I said, this is a limited time thing. We have a couple of more weeks. The 18th is the last day we'll be taking franchisees. So take advantage of it. Passive income, you can't never complain with passive income, because when you have one, that's too close to zero as far as I'm concerned. So
I definitely agree with that. And what I like about the packages is we basically have a package for everybody's budget, and if you start off with one package, you can always upgrade. Because I understand sometimes you want to test the waters to see, like, okay, let me just start off with the copper and see what's to it. You can always come back and upgrade your package. So yes, and then we have the cash advances too. It's up to what, 6,000?
that is correct. We are doing
Yes.
cash advances up to 6K. We started that on the first. So if you can, well, basically, we just need your end of the year statements for what you made over through the whole year, and we're able to get you a cash advance based off of that for what we're projecting your tax return will be. And it's your money. You might as well get it now if you need it that bad. It's a lot of stuff going on in life. Like I said, life be life, and so you might as well get that advance and be able to take care of some things. And like I said, we'll knock out the rest of everything else once you get all the rest of the tax papers back. So yes, we do have those cash advances up to 6,000, and they're going right now. Last year was amazing with cash advances. I think we did over 7 figures in cash advances last year alone, and this year we're looking to do more. So definitely you can reach out to us as far as the taxes and cash advances at the same time. So
Yes, and we will get you the max refund that we can within reason, of course. So yes, that's one other good thing I like about American Dream Tax. We do work to get you the max refund because I know how it is, And then our fees are not that, we don't throw a lot of heavy fees on you as well. And just back to the franchise, it's hard to find a company that you can have your own franchise that come with the marketing tools, the support, the software. So this is definitely something that you want to take advantage of, while you can. Especially, it's not too late. It's the beginning of tax season, so definitely want to hone in and take advantage of this opportunity. And if you're not ready, like Orlando said, you can just do the referral program, make money off sending people our way. Like I'm doing the $50 referral too, and he's doing the $50 referral too. So that's just another way that you can make money through American Dream Tax.
yeah, and this year I've kind of piggybacked off of the referral bonus for individuals, where a percentage of whatever my franchise does, I'm actually going to donate that to a charity this year. I haven't determined what charity, but it will be a 501c3 accredited company. I think I might do something along autistic individuals, because I do have a couple of brothers that are autistic, and that's definitely touches home with me. So I'm going to start kind of looking into see where I can kind of put those funds that will help out individuals and families that are dealing with autism personally. So, but like I said, we have those packages. You can go on the American Dream tax.net website, and you can see all the packages from there. You can reach out to anybody on the team to find out more information about it. And then even if you are someone that does taxes on your own, generally those splits are a little bit different. Being able to get those funds from your clients. I know generally you're going to have to do the taxes. The customer is going to get their money back, and then they have to send the money to you. We went through that, which was a mess trying to chase down people and deal with people along those lines. But now, like I said, we get the money, we send it to the person. You don't have to worry about that. And if you're someone that does taxes, our splits are generally better than the other software that you're using. And then if it's something that you want to kind of really expand on, you can purchase the software yourself, and then you can do the taxes on your own as your own individual entity and company and everything. So there's tons of opportunity with American Dream as far as the franchise. Did also want to mention that we started doing the franchises last year. In our second year, we are up 500% as far as the number of franchises that that have come aboard this year. It's been amazing from the cause that Chanel mentioned on Wednesday that we've been doing. We've been able to, give out that quality information. It's been making sense to people, and they've been coming aboard and getting on the train with us. I mean, we have offices in Georgia, down in Mississippi, out in California, over in the East Coast in North Carolina. I mean, we have franchise owners all over the place, and that all started from us being in little DeKalb, Illinois, doing taxes at Brian's table 7 years ago now. So it's amazing how it's grown, and we're definitely kind of definitely wanting it to continue to grow and take it to the next level. And we want you to be a part of the team and have another passive income to go along with it. So but we are actually going to get back to some more music. This is the Financial Power Hour. Got him. Financial Power Hour on intellectualradio.com, brought to you by iHeartRadio. And let's get back to that music.